Good morning, guys. So, it's the next day. I am going to hop on the Grom and ride it to school. So, we're going to see how that's going to go. I'm here to start her up. Alright, this is about 6:48 or 38, my bad. Jesus. Yeah, I'd be waking up at this time to go to school. I usually leave around like 7:05. Was planning to leave a tad bit earlier, but I kind of snoozed. Extra 20 minutes, but I'll be fine. It seems quiet out here. I put on I didn't think my boots were gonna work. I'm gonna boost my backpack. I got my Grom-Trial Ultima shoes. Alright, now we're just gonna go out and ride, man. Am I nervous? Absolutely. Man, I don't honestly, I don't think I like his mirrors. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I really care for his mirrors. What it is, what it is. Okay, let's get going. And we're doing complete stops. I don't care what anybody says. You know, they can suck it. All right. Oh, yeah. There we go. I don't know how to go from a rolling stop, but we're gonna get there. Eyes are watering. Yeah. All right. Holy shit, we did it. Holy shit, we did it. Wow, we did it. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, we did. Yo. It was a little rough, but dude, I got it. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. Oh. Holy shit, bro. Dude, I am so excited. I did it on the Grom. I got it here on the Grom, and I did not stall. Granted, I'm cursing myself, so I'll stall later. But dude, I am so stoked. So freaking stoked, dude. Where's this bar handle locker things? Does he not have any? Nah, he should. Where did I put his? What the fuck? Where the fuck did I put his, No, good. That would make sense. It would, but it wouldn't. Oh, they put it in there. Oh, okay. There we go. Haha. Nice thing. Nice. Oh no. Oh my god. Jesus. I just saw it. It said SS. How dare I? How dare I? I am gonna put it in first just because I'm a paranoid mofo. Yeah. Dude, that's awesome. That's freaking awesome. Alright, let's send him a picture. Alrighty guys, we'll see you when I get back. I'll leave a little early so hopefully traffic's a little lower. Alright, see it. Alright everybody. I'm out. I'm gonna head home. On the Grom. So we successfully made it to school. Now that there's traffic out and about, can I make it back home? Based on how I was this morning, yes. Trial by fire, baby. Trial by fire. It's like I get so used to everything being so back. So now I gotta triple make sure with everything. And I'm gonna be set. And I'm set. No, god damn it. Oh. I stalled. There we go. Slow roll, everybody. Make everybody go. She did not want to go. Two. There we go, let go. There we go. Okay, cool. One. All right. Alright, so I stalled once. And then I kind of rolled. That was a good start. Okay. I stalled once. Kind of a little bit here and there. Kind of, pulled a me. But, dude, it worked. I got here. I mean, that's pretty impressive. I got here. Right? I mean, that's got to mean something. Hell yeah, dude. Oh, alright. Yeah, man, the Grom is fun to ride, but scary at the same time, because it's like, it's not mine, you know? So, like, it's like, every time I'm, like, kind of, like, I feel like raping it a little bit, just kind of hurting. Anyways, we got here, we're home, it's parked, no scratches, no nothing. I'm here for my life. I didn't perish. Trial by fire, man. I'm gonna get that tattooed one day. Perish by fire, or don't perish by fire. Trial by fire. There we go. Alright, we'll see you guys.